G'day everyone, welcome to the Husky channel. I'm coming to you live, well actually not live, I'm recording this from my front yard. As you can see behind me, I'm in my front yard here, and just giving you an update of what's happening with the channel. At the moment Melbourne has gone into stage 4 lockdown, which basically means I've got the information here on my phone, and I'll read out what it is. Stage 4 lockdown is must stay within a 5-kilometre radius of your home, so you can't go more than 5 kilometres from your home. Only one person from your household is allowed to shop per day, so only one person is allowed to go out. Daily exercise still allowed for a maximum of 1 hour in groups of no more than 2, and same deal applies, no more than 5 kilometres away from your home, so you can do your daily exercise, walk in the park. Recreational activity is not allowed. Now, up until now, people have been going fishing, playing golf, riding motorbikes. That's all stopped now, so no recreational activity. There's a curfew as well from 8 PM to 5 AM, and that starts from Sunday, August the 2nd, which is yesterday, and today is Monday the 3rd. So basically for 6 weeks we've got a curfew from 8 PM to 5 AM. Now it's winter here now, so unless you're working you have an exemption. So if you're working you can go out like a taxi driver or night shift or what have you. Regional Victoria will move to stage 3, so these measures are only for Melbourne. So regional Victoria go to stage 3. Stage 4 lockdown applies for 6 weeks. Now I'll post this little picture on the video as well, so you can see what it is. Now today being Monday, the Premier of Victoria, Daniel Andrews, is going to let us know which businesses are to close and which are to stay open, or to remain open I should say. And so at this stage I don't know whether I'll be working for the next 6 weeks or not. We'll find out probably in the next day or two, but at this stage things are getting worse here with coronavirus. People aren't taking it seriously, so we're going to be locked down even further now. In a few weeks time, if it gets worse, then we probably won't be able to leave the house. But at this stage all's good here, so we'll just soldier on. No driving anywhere or drone flying at this stage, so what can you do? You just we'll get through it in the end. So stay safe everyone, take care, and hope to see you soon. Take it easy.